The mind is a very complicated thing. The soul is a very simple thing. Since your birth, since your upbringing, you have gathered a mind. You didn't gather a soul. And mind is a very complicated thing. Mind is a very powerful thing, very complicated thing. It wants to think about 100 things, 1,000 things at a time. Okay? But soul is not like that. Soul is very simple. Very, very simple. So, meditation makes you a candidate of the soul, not a candidate of the mind. When you are a candidate of mind, you are very, very complicated. You are anti-simple. But when you are a candidate for soul, you become a candidate for simplicity. Simplicity automatically comes into your life. It becomes your natural habit and habitat. When you go away from your mind and go into your soulhood, when you understand your soul, which is eternity, which is infinity. Mind is temporary, but soul is eternity. Mind is very fickle, whereas soul is all-powerful. Mind is separate, soul is one with all. So, as a result of meditation, your mind gets dissolved and your soulhood comes into prominence. You automatically become simple. You don't have to practice simplicity. You automatically become simple. Through meditation, you transcend the mind and you go into your soulhood.